Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. And now this is going to be a little bit different, okay? This is not something that really worked, but I want to draw your attention to, sometimes the perils of these low float situations, okay? So this is ENTX, and I've got this on a 1-minute chart, and I have it on here for a reason. I'm going to bring in, you can just kind of see here is the daily chart. There's the 15 though, okay? So it had a lot of action in the pre-market. This area right there, that sort of pinky area, is all the pre-market action. The market opened and it looked really good. Looked like it was going to take out 8 again. Now I want to just show you what happened because, some of us in the room, I almost took this trade, but look what happened here. This got up to, it popped up here, and this is a 1-minute candle, guys. It's got as high as 868, and then it flashed right down to 740. It's a 1-minute candle. Now I haven't seen this happen in a while. I mean, you can always, these low float situations can be very, very whippy, of course, but I haven't seen anything like this for a while. And unfortunately, I think some people got hurt in the room. I was all set to pull the trigger on buying this one because it, to me it looked, when it took out that high right there, it looked like it was ready to go. But this happened so quickly, and the problem can be also is that because it just flashed right down, is that even if you did have a stop in place, it could have blown right through your stop. So let's just say, for instance, you had 500 shares, you may have only been able to get stopped out for 100 of them before it kept moving down. So, you hear me say in the room all the time that when we get into these low float situations, and this one, this is low, 16.5 million shares in the float. So it's not crazy low, but it's still a low float situation. You cannot wander away from your computer, okay? Because, and look what's happening now. It is. Somebody said to me, "Do I think that it might bounce again?" My problem with something like this is that once this happens, to me anyway, this destroys a lot of confidence because it could happen again out of nowhere. And so I just would never want to take that chance that it could happen again. Look, it got up to 776 right here and all the way down to 676. Again, these are 1-minute candles. So anyway, I just wanted to bring that to your attention. It's not all fun and games in the stock market, and you just have to be prepared and, don't wander away when you're in a low float situation. Okay. All right. That's it, guys. Let's see. You have any questions for me? Here's your email address you can use. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.